Hey everyone! Welcome back to iTech8 News. So, Xiaomi has recently introduced the Redmi K80 series in China, fully unveiling it on November 27th. Though the phone is getting quite a hype. For your information, the series includes two models, the K80 and the K80 Pro. While the Pro variant was immediately available for import, the regular K80 is now joining the global market too, thanks to Giztop. However, if you're wondering, this is not the detailed specs video of the K80 or K80 Pro, but we will be talking solely about the price of the phone. Now jumping to the price, the standard Redmi K80 is priced at just $429 on Giztop, where in China it starts at 2,499 yuan, roughly $345, so the slight markup isn't surprising. But what's shocking is, for that price, you're getting Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 performance, making it one of the most affordable phones in this category. Where a similar spec Red Magic 9S Pro costs $636 on Amazon. Furthermore, there are a few things to keep in mind. The K80 runs on Xiaomi's HyperOS 2.0, which supports English, but certain features like Android Auto aren't available out of the box. Fortunately, there is pre-installed Google mobile services, so you're good to go for most apps. However, network compatibility might be limited outside China, and there's no official regional warranty. For any issues, you'll need to send it back to Giztop, which might not be ideal. Lastly, despite these caveats, the Redmi K80 at $429 delivers incredible value with flagship-level performance. And for additional information, if you don't know, Xiaomi might also rebrand this as the Poco F7 Pro for a wider release, which would address many of these concerns. But until then, it's still a strong contender for anyone who's willing to import. Having said that, thanks for tuning into iTech8 News. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates on the latest tech. See you in the next video.